10-4, ma'am. I'm on location, 1900 block of Green.
10-4, sir.
We're gonna sit here and wait until he gets here so he can take the boot off and he can tow it. It's pouring, and here's the tow truck.
Gotta put the raincoat on.
Oh, Lord.
This is unbelievable. Hasn't rained like this all day.
We're just like the mailman. Nothing stops us. Rain, sleet, snow, the dead of night. Oh, man.
I'm trying to get the paperwork done and get back in the truck. I'm having a problem because the paper's getting wet.
Look at this. You got your people who don't have a lot of intelligence who see a tow truck working and just come right on down the block anyway. Yeah, keep honking. Honk all the day. Hey!
When it's raining, it just takes a little bit more time.
Pull up a little, it didn't go around. Oh, Lord. Some people you just can't reach. There is nothing you're going to do by honking. Keep doing it. You got a lot of brains.
Just gonna wait a little bit longer.
When they do that, I go slower and slower and slower. As you can see, all that yelling and screaming and carrying on, if they had not come down the block in the first place, they would have been gone and on their way.